This rarely happens in Philippine history. For a day, government forces and members of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front set aside their firearms. They trooped to schools and lent a hand to teachers and children in Munay Town, a stronghold of the MILF in Lanao del Norte.
Malaking opportunity namin ito para maipakita sa mga tao, sa lahat ng mga tao ito sa Pilipinas, na natutulungan yung EEP at saka BIAP, Bangsamoro. Para maipakita namin yung ano yung makakaya namin, maitulong namin sa mga bata, sa lahat. Para dito nagsimula ang kapayapaan.
In MILF's Camp Bilal, they build school fences, provide health services, and take pictures with children. Their message, create new memories of a lasting peace for the kids.
Ang natatandaan nila dito yung gera noong 2000, yung gera noong 2008. Yun ang alaala ng mga teacher dito na nakausap natin at saka yung mga principal. Sila mismo, yung mga bahay-bahay na naapektuhan ng pagbobomba at iba pang kaguluhan na nangyari noong mga panahon na yun. At dahil nagkaroon naman tayong tuloy-tuloy na ceasefire mula noong 2010 under this administration, nakita nila, this is what ceasefire can bring.
Far from the word war between the pro and anti-BBL legislators, soldiers and rebels show a rare gesture of unity, helping fix schools in villages inside the MILF's Camp Bilal. For them, the education of their children is their weapon to fight poverty and war. For MILF leader Commander Bravo's daughter, Aisa, the new generation of Muslims pin their hopes on the success of the peace process.
Parang kami po ay salat na sa mga development, hindi po ba? So siguro ganun din po sana. Kaya nga po tinutulungan po namin yung mga kabataan. Baka po sila ang maging maging hudsyat po ng pagbabago po sa aming lugar.
The durability of peace in the South is being tested in Congress, where the proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law is being discussed. The bill seeks to implement the peace deal between the government and MILF, signed in March 2014 after 17 years of negotiations. It is an imperfect peace, but a chance that may not come again to this land of conflict. Voltaire Tupaz Rappler, Lanao del Norte.